Chemical coordination part 2. Major endocrine glands. These are following. Number 1, hypothalamus. Number 2, pituitary gland. Number 3, pineal gland. Number 4, thyroid gland. Number 5, parathyroid gland. Number 6, thymus gland. Number 7, adrenal gland. Number 8, pancreas. Number 9, gonads, that is ovary and testes. Number 10, diffuse endocrine glands. Number 1, hypothalamus. It is located at the floor of diencephalon. Diencephalon is the part of brain. The function of hypothalamus is to maintain homeostasis, that is, to maintain body temperature and the amount of liquid and salts in the body. It also controls the activity of pituitary gland. All hormones of that gland are peptide hormones, that is made up of proteins. These hormones are called as neurohormones because these are secreted by neurosecretory cells of hypothalamus. For example, ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, and oxytocin. हाइपोथैलेमस ब्रेन का एक पार्ट होता है जो एज ए इंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड भी काम करता है. उसके दो हार्मोन होते हैं, एडीएच और ऑक्सीटोसिन. इस ग्लैंड का काम है बॉडी टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करना, उसके साथ अमाउंट ऑफ बॉडी लिक्विड्स और सॉल्ट्स इनको भी बैलेंस करना. इसके साथ ये पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड को भी कंट्रोल करता है. इसके सब हार्मोन प्रोटीन से बने हुए होते हैं. ये हार्मोन न्यूरो हार्मोन भी कहलाते हैं क्योंकि ये हाइपोथैलेमस के न्यूरोसिक्रेटरी सेल से खारिज होते हैं. नाउ वी विल स्टडी अबाउट पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड और हाइपोफाइसिस ग्लैंड. It is smallest gland in the body, which is pea-shaped and pea-sized gland. It is reddish grey in color. It is also known as master endocrine gland because it controls the activity of different endocrine glands. It is located just below the hypothalamus and attached with hypothalamus by stalk called as infundibulum. Below hypothalamus, the pituitary gland is situated in a bony depression called sella turcica of sphenoid bone. This is sphenoid bone which is situated just below the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is the part of brain. So brain is situated in a bony box called as cranium. Sphenoid bone forms the floor of cranium and roof of buccal cavity. So there is a depression in that bone which is called as sella turcica, in which the pituitary gland is situated. This pituitary gland is attached with hypothalamus by a stalk called as infundibulum. Pituitary gland consists of two lobes, adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis arises from the outgrowth of buccal cavity. This outgrowth is called as Rathke's pouch, and neurohypophysis arises from hypothalamus. So both arises from two different parts of body. Therefore, the gland is dual in nature. This is the diagram of pituitary gland, in which there are two lobes. Anterior lobe is called as adenohypophysis and posterior lobe is called as neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis consists of two parts. First part is called as pars distalis and second part is called as pars tuberalis. Then neurohypophysis consists of three parts. First part is called pars nervosa. Second part is pituitary stalk or infundibulum. And third part is median eminence. With the help of median eminence, the neurohypophysis is directly attached with hypothalamus. Adenohypophysis is attached with hypothalamus by hypophyseal portal system. There is third or intermediate lobe found between anterior and posterior lobe. It is called as pars intermedia. There are 9 hormones of pituitary gland. 7 hormones are secreted by adenohypophysis, and there are 2 hormones of neurohypophysis which are secreted by hypothalamus. In human, there is no any hormone secreted by pars intermedia, but in lower vertebrates it secretes one hormone called as melanocyte stimulating hormone, which is responsible for giving color to skin.